guys, welcome to my new video about Wix Studio. As you know, Wix Studio has recently released a plugin that allows you to export your Figma designs to your website in just a couple of clicks. And today, I want to show you how it works in detail. Okay, let's get started. Open Wix Studio, then click on the icon above. Find Tools and click on Import from Figma. And now we need to connect our Figma file with Wix Studio. To do this, we need to go to Figma and copy the link of our project. When it's done, go back to Wix Studio and add your link here. Click Connect. And now we can export it. Open Figma, click on Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets, and enter Figma to Wix Studio. Click on the plugin. You'll see the pop-up window. Click Setup Export since we've already linked the Figma file. Just click I'm done connecting my file. Click Next, Start Export. And first we need to export the styles. Choose the frame and export our styles. Go back and now export our frame the same way. Go to Wix Studio and click Refresh Import. Match the screen size. Here you can choose how to export the design, as a page, section, or container. Okay, click Add to Site. And that's it. Our design is uploading. When you're all set, you can modify your site however you want, change text and images as well as add animations. All in all, you can save a lot of your time with this plugin. So, that's it. If you like my tutorials and don't want to miss new ones, support my channel, click like and subscribe. So go to Wix Studio and check the plugin yourself. See you in the next video.